Yes, Radeep, that's a real problem for a number of people. And I'll go back to what we said at the start. These are the instances where it's very important to differentiate between a normative reaction that a person we expect will get over it with one's own coping, vis-a-vis a person who might actually need professional help. And let's flag something else here. Uh, Telemedicine, and specifically telepsychiatry and telemental health services, have become extremely available in last 1 year. And so let's spread the word to everybody who we can, that telemedicine and the use of telemedicine for counseling or for psychiatric consultations is a very viable option, especially in this last few weeks. As the unlock happens, one might go for in-person consultation. And we believe that the stigma over seeking mental health help has reduced, but certainly mental health services is one option that needs to be
So
utilized.
you're
I
saying,
also want to add to
yes,
what my
go ahead.
colleagues were saying and what you
Go
were
ahead, please.
summarizing. Vivekanand had said that there are two issues that you need, two attributes that you need: sense of purpose, as my colleagues Anjali and Amit were saying, and second is hope. So sense of purpose and hope and positivity through whatever useful work one can do is
Right.
actually the best way, even in limited circumstances.
Okay, let's come to another
Rajdeep,
concern that
can I
people
just
have.
add on one
Anjali,
previous
this
thing here?
Dr. Chhabria, a viewer is asking, what do you advise to those who have increased their alcohol intake in COVID times? Let's be clear. Many people believe the way to get over depression, you end up, you're at home, you end up drinking more. In fact, someone is saying a link to this. I got married just before the pandemic in February last year. My wife and I had lots of plans to travel, enjoy, build a home. Now it seems all like a nightmare. The pandemic has even hit my marriage because I've been drinking a lot and that's made things tough. How do I deal with this, Dr. Chhabria?
So, alcohol is something that just increases depression. It is something that does not take away the depression. It may take away the momentary anxiety, but makes you further depressed. So when you wake up in the morning, you do not feel good at all. Yes, sir, your life has come to a pause, but as everybody else's life, you have a wife with you. There are people who are dying and do not have their spouses, and they have lost much more. So it is very, very important that you seek help from any mental health consultant around you and get out of your alcoholism. The first thing you can do is throw all the alcohol away from your house. If you're going through withdrawal, get admitted to a hospital, consult a psychiatrist. But alcohol is a negative coper.
Okay.
Find something to do and get out of it.
Of course, all of you seem to be suggesting find a purpose in a way in life.